The conservation of wildlife is definitely on my mind. It's the reason I really got into the work. My name is Christopher Perry. I'm the operating manager of Bourn Environmental out of Mitchellville, Maryland. Jobs that we do are ecological construction, which is mostly stream restoration, stormwater management, and shoreline stabilizations. We also do wildlife and game management. In 2014, I had recently gotten out of the military as an Army captain for the Corps of Engineers. I got into stream restoration because there was a growing need for it in Maryland. I really love habitat creation. It's a great way to be outdoors. I got connected with some people that were doing this type of work with the knowledge that there was a lot to come, both in stream restoration and stormwater management. The project we're working on right now is a 3,000 linear foot stream restoration. It uses a whole bunch of different natural channel design techniques. Most of the stream channels that we see are incised, or they're at least entrenched in some way. The channels essentially become just cliffs on either side, and what we're trying to do is fold it back. We create a floodplain bench, and then we have a much gentler slope going up to the existing banks. This is definitely going to be better for this stream, the Potomac River, the Chesapeake Bay. Everything downstream is going to benefit from this type of project. We're really proud of the quality of work that we do. It's not just grading. There's a lot of science to it. There's a lot of understanding of hydrology, and we're very proud to take an interest in that and work with engineers to create a real quality project that will last a very long time.